In order to download Zoom to your phone, you go into your Play Store and you download Zoom. Mine is already downloaded, so I just open. You sign in. Launch. Start a new meeting. Once the meeting is started, you can invite others. You click on participants. And in order to send it via WhatsApp, I do copy URL. You could also send it via email. You switch windows. And you go into your WhatsApp and you share it with your class WhatsApp group or with colleagues individually. Paste the URL that you've copied into the window. And then you wait for them to join. You can host certainly a whole class full. If you want to, you can click mute all, and then as they enter, they can be muted, and then you can unmute them. You can also send chats to individuals or to everybody all together. So that's what we're going to be doing in our Zoom session. And it's actually a lot easier even, here's Melissa, it's actually even a lot easier on the computer. See you soon.